Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy golds on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the store option from the top right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the gold option from the bottom of your screen. In the gold section, you will see different gold packs listed with their respective prices. Simply tap on the amount of gold you want to buy. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions and complete the payment process. Once the transaction is successful, the golds will be added to your account. And this is how you can buy golds on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.